Hey guys, what's up? It's your buddy Keith, and I am back. I'm doing a little bit of car spotting for you today. I'm here in the lovely Southend-On-Sea, England. That's the world's longest pier right there. It's about 1.5 miles long. Reaches out into the River Thames. That goes right into the heart of London, right in the heart of England. So this is about the mouth of the river. And I'm walking down this beautiful park with my little puggies. That's Penny. And that's Maggie, and I spot this absolutely insane BMW E30 all the way from up on that hill. This thing is incredible. It's got an awesome body kit on it. This is yours, man. Yeah. I've got a major car YouTube channel. I was just doing a little film on it. Do you mind if do you want to talk about it? I love the body kit. So we've got a huge YouTube channel, about 10 million viewers on it.
No, I don't really want to be on camera.
So what is this body kit?
It's Mtech 2.
Mtech 2. Yeah. I love the square headlamps on it. It's beautiful. And the alloys. They almost look like old 80s AMG kind of style alloys.
Yeah, they like a kind of style, but it comes before the AMG came anyway.
So is this a newer body kit, or is this a body kit from the 80s?
This is original, yeah.
This is original?
Original, yeah. Mate.
This is absolutely incredible. And the Recaro seats as well?
No, I put them on myself.
It's gorgeous. So this is a convertible. Which model is it?
E30 325i.
It's the
E30.
Yeah, E30 generation, and then what engine's in it?
325.
Oh, it's a 325.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's got a bit of power in this. Man, this is so clean too. How many?
It's not that clean. Look,
oh well, we're at the beach. It has a little bit of sand. It's okay. How many miles are on it?
It's about 140,000.
That's fine though. Still running just fine.
Everything's repaired anyway, so. All the new chassis, everything, like, you know.
Wow, man! I saw it all the way from that hill up there. I said I have to see what this thing's all about. Okay. And I love the grille on this too. Very, very cool. I see any other unique features that people should know about with this?
It's a BC coilover. It's all original, actually. You know what I mean? It's
Where did you find it?
I put it everything myself, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I bought that car with original Mtech kit. Those headlights I bought about 5 years ago.
Okay.
It was from eBay.
Beautiful.
You know.
Very cool mod.
It's some kind of aftermarket lights, but they produced long time ago.
A long time ago, yeah.
It's not just came up now, like, you know. So
I see it even has the original glass. Like you could see the original Reg plate still etched and all of the glass.
Different plate anyway. So.
You've got a private plate on it now. Yeah. This is so clean, man. Absolute pleasure. And it's a manual. Is it 4-speed, 5-speed?
Yeah.
Look, yeah, man.
Inside the roof.
Oh, look at the blue piping on the Recaros. Look at the roof. Wow, man. Very, very clean. The dash is nice, good condition as well. This thing is so clean. Is the engine original? Stock? Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous, man.
It's not that clean inside the engine, I can show you.
Yeah. Oh, that would be great. Wow.
It's nothing like, you know, it's all those coilovers and new ones anyway.
Oh yeah, beautiful, man. No, this is a real treat. The people on the YouTube channel are gonna like this one. Yeah. Thank you so much for showing us everything, and I'm so glad I found this today, man. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, well, take care, man.
Yeah. Good luck, mate. Good luck.
There's the exhaust. All right. Cool, guys. Well, that's enough car spotting for today. We're here in Southend. I have to watch the dogs. So we'll see you later, and thank you so much again, man. All right, take care. Thanks, guys. So make sure you click like, follow us on the YouTube channel, and hit subscribe. I've got to go, hopefully, cross this road here, get these dogs walked. But I thought this would just be a nice little bit of weekend fun for you. We're getting the channel back up and going, and again, apologize for the wind, but really glad I caught that car, because I would have missed it. The guy's already getting ready to take off. Sweet. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, we're getting the channel back up and going, and You're gonna see a lot of really cool content. This is just on my shot on my phone, but we've got my Bentley Mulsanne I have to do a feature on. We've got a Range Rover SVR coming up. So just stay tuned and we'll say goodbye to the little puggies. All right, everyone, see ya.